Just a ghost in your hallway, born on a rainy Tuesday. I think I'm a curse you can't erase. Put all the worry on your face, a heavy shadow you can't outrun. I'm sorry that I was your daughter, not your son. Just a ghost in your heart.